How to turn on flashlight for incoming calls on Samsung phones. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can find this app in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Accessibility option. Tap on it to open the accessibility settings. Inside the accessibility settings, look for and tap on Advanced Settings. Find the option labeled Flash Notification and tap on it. This will take you to the settings where you can manage flash notifications. You'll see an option for camera flash notifications. Toggle this option on to enable the flashlight to blink when you receive a call. If you're having trouble finding the flash notification setting directly, tap on the search icon at the top of the settings menu. Type Flash Notification in the search bar. Tap on the flash notification option when it appears in the search results. Toggle on the feature from here. To test if it's working, have someone call your phone. You should see the flashlight blinking, indicating an incoming call. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.